See how to set up a hardware wallet. Setting up a hardware wallet to securely store your cryptocurrencies is a relatively straightforward process. Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Choosing the right wallet. Brand. Consider options like Ledger, Trezor, KeepKey, etc. Features. Support for desired coins, security, price, ease of use. Reviews and comparisons. Read user and expert reviews before purchasing. Purchasing the wallet. Official sites. Buy from the official manufacturer websites to avoid counterfeit products. Reputable sellers. If buying from online stores, ensure their credibility and reputation. 3. Setting up the wallet. User guide. Follow the instructions in the user manual or on the manufacturer's website carefully. Create recovery. Phrase. Write down your recovery phrase and keep it in a secure place. This phrase is essential for recovering your funds if the wallet is lost or damaged. Set up PIN. Set a strong PIN to protect access to your wallet. 4. Storing cryptocurrencies. Transfer cryptocurrencies. Transfer your cryptocurrencies from an exchange or another wallet to your hardware wallet address. Secure storage. Keep your hardware wallet in a safe place, out of reach of unauthorized individuals. Security tips. Updates. Keep your wallet software and firmware up to date. Beware of phishing. Never disclose your sensitive information in response to emails or suspicious websites. Avoid malware. Refrain from clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. By following these steps, you can ensure your cryptocurrencies are securely stored in your hardware wallet.